guys, I'm back with another video, and I haven't been uploaded for a long time because I was on holiday and I went to Wales at a residential trip at school. And my story is a bit like that, I'm cooking a lot, and it's very fun. So I'm playing blockstar, my first blockstar video, I think. Actually don't know, but I think it is. So today I'm going to be trying to be making my own balls. So let's go. I'm gonna go to the right. As I'm VIP, I'm gonna do no. Okay, so guys, so there's no internet, so I'm just gonna fix that. I finally did it. So now let's find a mini house. No, 12. This one. Finally did my first house. See, I can look for it. So guys, you guys is gonna get bored for you. So I am gonna see you when I'm done. And done. Some ugly screenshots. I finally did it. Okay, now let me show you around. this is the middle of this is a park, but this is a huge one. And yeah, this is the park I made. And then over here are the houses. And then this house is over here. So that's all I've done. I'm gonna end the video here.